This video is to help new travellers to make sure they pack everything that they need. Girls, you need your hairdryer, you need your iron. So I'm going to give you a few tips that I have learned along the way. What I've got here is a power board. That's an Australian power board. I've got an English adapter there. There's my iron and my travel GHD travel hairdryer. Okay, now I'm going to show you why you need the adapter, the English adapter. You can see what that looks like. That's the conversion side. This is the Australian power. That's what it looks like. So that will match everything I'm trying to plug in. So this will go into the Singapore power point. There it goes. Now it's become an Australian power point. Now we plug in the power board. There we go. And we have power. It's good to have a power board like this that gives you a circuit breaker. Now I'm free to plug in as many items as this board can take. And it can take, what, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So even if you want to charge your phone, if you don't have a hotel room with that facility, you are going to be quite okay with this power board. So this is a trick that I learned from the travels that we've been on, and I'm sure you're going to find this handy. And look, if it's not an English converter that you need, there are converters for every country. So just go to your nearest travel shop and ask them a few questions about which power board you need for which country you're traveling to. So I hope this has helped you out. If it has, give it a like and share. Thank you for watching.